In the vibrant tapestry of life, there are moments of pure magic, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Welcome to Baoase Luxury Resort, where each moment is a brushstroke on the canvas of your dreams. A sanctuary nestled between the endless sky and the boundless sea, where the whispers of the wind and the rhythm of the waves compose a symphony of serenity. Here, luxury isn't just a word. It's a promise fulfilled with every breath you take. As you immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of our resort, let your journey extend beyond our borders, into the heart of Punda and Otrobanda. Punda and Otrobanda aren't just neighborhoods, they're vibrant hubs pulsating with life. As you step out into the bustling streets and lively markets, you'll find yourself enveloped in a tapestry of culture and color. From the rich hues of Punda's historic buildings to the beautiful atmosphere of Otrobanda's street art, every corner tells a story. As you wander through these vibrant districts, you'll discover the true essence of Curacao. Amidst the laughter and smiles of the locals, amidst the vibrant colors and lively rhythms, you'll find joy in every step. Take a stroll along the iconic floating bridge, where each opening and closing reveals a new chapter in your adventure. Guided by the spirit of discovery, let your time at Baoase be a gateway to exploring the beauty of Punda and Otrobanda. Every moment spent here is a story waiting to unfold, a testament to the joy of discovery and the beauty of connection. Welcome to paradise, where the magic of Baoase intertwines with the charm of Curacao, creating memories that will last a lifetime.